this one is your first time to come across to this platform, guys, please, I'm gonna try to subscribe so that I get my updates later, post my videos, that still happen. All right, you guys know that, you know, the government or Luciano Lamorgese, most of the Anglican church or most of the churches or activists already kind of like appeal to this woman to kind of like evacuate immigrants in Libya. I already felt given this update. I don't need to repeat them again. All of them get this update how it did happen now. So we pray maybe like say it will really come to pass, not be just to come tell us at the end of the day we no go see results. So we pray say the thing will come to pass. So we understand. All right, so still the same story. Now the Minister of Transport and the same Luciano Lamorgese put a picture. This lady where God go bless. Well, so don't still bring out some updates in order for Italian to give out some rescue ship to help to rescue immigrants who will still be landing from different areas. You understand? Because you know this a particular open arms ship, they removed them for not too quite long, but now they are trying to kind of like take these people back and as well give them most of their ship in order to rescue immigrants. So may not be like say I just explain this thing myself. This one are from direct from the Ministry of the Interior website. I'm giving the updates when I see it happen on the articles. All right, it said here the announcement has been published to update the list of a ship for the health surveillance of migrants. You understand? Now the ship, that be this one that they see for here now. So all right, we'll go a little bit forward more and see how it take place. Said the Ministry of Infrastructure and then Transport has published the notice to update the list of ships flying the Italian or community flag to be used for the assistance and health surveillance for migrants rescue at sea or arrive on the national territory. You understand? All right, he said here, following autonomous landing, a service that can also be extended to migrants arriving on the national territory autonomously across land borders. You understand? So this particular ship they are trying to kind of like offer is for to rescue immigrants who will be still landing from the Sicilian side. You understand? All right, let's go a little bit forward on this article. All right, he said here, among the requirements indicated in the announcement, the ability to reach the coast of Sicilian, Calabria, Sardinia, or Puglia, Venezia, Giulia with 24 hours following the signing of the rental agreement or any other place in the national territory where the contest occur emergency. You understand? So this particular update is just to kind of like let you guys understand that, you know, the Italian government, this Luciano Lamorgese, is trying to kind of like now offer this ship which they will use to be rescuing immigrants. You understand? So this is what this a particular update is all about. Let me try to read one or two things. He said the objective is to be able to face the health protection need linked to the arrival of migrants on the national territory in a timely and then simplified manner, as well as to ensure the registration of further interested economic operators to be invited to any upcoming procedure for assigning the service. You understand? All right, he said in order to guarantee the public interest in the widest cooperative confrontation. You understand? So guys, this update is just the same thing. So they have to give this ship to immigrants so that they can be using it to operate to kind of like rescue people. So we thank God, say Luciano Lamorgese, they try her best to make sure, say, even when the crisis there for the parliament, she herself still they try to kind of like give immigrants their own portion. You understand? So now something like say it makes sense. Now system let you know how it did happen. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to another news. We'll see as it take place. All right, this one to inform on about the video when I do before about the EU to kind of like put their part on the immigration for the Dublin law and all those kind of stuff. You understand? Because now the Luciano Lamorgese as well, you know, this woman is always on the story because as the Minister del Interno, she have to hand over everything that concerns immigrants to be giving us updates, all those kind of stuff. You understand? All right, so now they have already had a meeting yesterday. This Luciano Lamorgese had meeting with the commissioners, so to try to kind of like find out how immigrants will be distributed to other countries. That is asylum seekers who are living more, especially here in Italy, how they can be distributed to other countries as well for them to have, you know, free access. Because, you know, to stay for only Italy, no go fix up everything. You know, Denmark, Spain, Austria, Germany, France, all these countries, they are all EU countries who come together to form the European Union. So they have to kind of like assist Italian as well. So this one also, Luciana Lamorgese, they don't go here for their meeting. So more see waiting happen, more see the little article. I'll give her the video where she tried to explain everything. If I come back, I go still explain giving her how it did happen. All right, he said here, Luciana Lamorgese at the hearing of the EU Political Commission of the Senate. You understand? More go a little bit forward, man, for this here, how it did happen here. The informal hearing of the Interior Minister, Luciana Lamorgese, took place today before the European Union Politics Commission of the Senate. You understand? All right, he said here, among the topics covered, the reform of the Dublin regulation, the relaunch of cooperation in third countries, and the intensification of the return system. You understand? So all what they are trying to explain, you know, my fair giving at the video may not be like say I can't talk everything for myself. For those of you when you be like so, I never say I want Luciana Lamorgese, which is the Minister of Internal, go there, Congo, they explain one or two things. So we are checking.
La proposta di riforma europea del regolamento di Dublino sull'immigrazione lascia inalterate gran parte delle criticità che ricadono sui paesi di primo ingresso come l'Italia. Così la ministra dell'Interno Lamorgese in audizione al Senato.
Riteniamo troppo ampio lo spazio discrezionale sulla scelta del tipo di contributo di solidarietà a cui vogliono aderire, con il rischio di rendere la ricollocazione uno strumento meramente facoltativo.
L'Italia ha più volte ribadito la necessità di distribuire equamente la pressione degli arrivi tra tutti gli Stati dell'Unione, senza prescindere da una quota minima obbligatoria, almeno per quelli sbarcati dopo gli interventi di ricerca e soccorso in mare. Quello dei rimpatri inoltre resta il tema cruciale per l'efficacia delle politiche migratorie. La presidenza di turno tedesca, ha ricordato Lamorgese, si è conclusa senza un'intesa politica sui principali temi, anche se sono già stati intrapresi i primi contatti con la nuova guida portoghese per trovare soluzioni condivise.
Una don say maybe, so na so the matter take play now. So wetin they try to explain for them be say, you know, immigrants wey go dey arrive for Italy, make dem still dey carry them, dey go for other places like Spain, France, Austria, you know, make them dey get everything together. I may not be like say they leave everything for Italian, you understand? Now be the motive of this particular Luciana Lamorgese one they hear every time. So all this kind of thing now, so now wetin he dey try to tell us, now still let una know how it did happen, because you know all these things now something to make sure say, you know, immigrant go do okay for the European side. You see now how they take the rescue or try to give help to a kind of like the immigrant maybe like they did for Libya. So now wait till they solve. Now see my let know how it did happen. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to another news. We'll see as it take play. Alright, this news that for those of them when they be like so now come they attack me for Instagram, come they message me, say why I say Salvini could become the Prime Minister of Italy. Alright, I won't make you understand the history and I want to know how it did they play, because like I say most people they know they read news, they know they see how things did they happen, you understand? Alright, if I say Salvini won't become the Prime Minister of Italy, first of all you get and for say to become, not be something when they be like say it already be, you understand? To become. So sometimes more than they read or kind of like a listen to our content with the bloggers, not just they use the title to they just judge the news, you understand? Try to listen to the content so that you go know what it is. I know say most of when they send me message for Instagram and I not just watch the video, when I just see the title, just they message me direct, say why I say Salvini go become the Prime Minister again, or say this, that and that. Alright, man give now the history now, I want to know how it take place. So this Matteo Renzi, one that they see for here now, so this man will be the head of the Italian Viva, when collaborate with Giuseppe Conte in order to push out Matteo Salvini when the five-star movement, which is the M5S, they try to leave Salvini, so when Salvini come out for the party. You understand? Alright, now when it be like say this particular Matteo Renzi, when they get problem with Giuseppe Conte, now the Matteo Renzi when they talk say, you know, Giuseppe Conte not going to do what he's supposed to do. Say the students they want to be like say they never go back to school. Many things there for the economic crisis, so they need to open money give. Say if they lock people for inside house, they not give them money, all those kind of stuff. Normally, some of the things when the man they bring us as a reason why he's trying to kind of like attack Giuseppe Conte is worthful. You understand? Let me make a turn up for one time say Giuseppe Conte sometimes he had the touch. You understand? All right. But in all these things, it not concern immigration. All they are dragging is for their own people, the economy, different kind of thing, their laws, you understand? It not be for a kind of like for immigrants, you understand? Where if for take the concern with the immigrants, now be with the fear make Matteo Salvini not go come back with this kind of pattern when they now. So for those of you when you like so I never see where the Matteo Renzi they try to explain one or two things. When I watch the video, if I come back, I explain one or two things given when I know what they try to talk.
Uno, c'è un problema di forme della democrazia in Italia, perché viviamo un tempo nel quale, l'abbiamo visto in America, se non si rispettano le forme della democrazia, il populismo fa danni. E questo porta tutta una serie di cose che sono i servizi segreti, che sono le modalità di gestione dei DPCM, dei decreti legge. L'intervento più bello su quello l'ha fatto Vicaretti, il senatore Zanda. Perché questo? Nessuno di noi pensa che Conte possa diventare un pericolo per la democrazia, nessuno lo pensa. Ma se queste regole non vengono rispettate oggi, ancorché da una persona per bene, quando tra 10 anni, 20 anni o 30 anni queste regole costituiranno un precedente, sarà messa in discussione la democrazia.
Alright, that video not the one when the be like say the Matteo Renzi Conte they explain most of the things where they face for the country. When be like say Giuseppe Conte need to systemize as I talk before, you understand? Alright, more watch the video, more and see where the same particular Matteo Renzi Conte explain say, you know, they try to remove Matteo Salvini in order for Giuseppe Conte to become the prime minister, you understand? More watch the video, more and see how it happen.
Noi abbiamo fatto nascere questo governo contro il senatore Salvini, che chiedeva i pieni poteri. Qualcuno di quelli che adesso ci fa la morale allora era per andare alle elezioni e per consegnare Palazzo Chigi e il Quirinale alla destra anti-europea e sovranista, chiaro? Noi abbiamo combattuto anche accettando l'accordo con il Movimento 5 Stelle perché i pieni poteri a Matteo Salvini non li abbiamo voluti dare.
So now so the issue to the play now so because this particular Giuseppe Conte, they kind of like disqualify Matteo Salvini in order for them to have a new party which they collaborated with Giuseppe Conte, M5S, which is the 5-star movement. When they take leave Matteo Salvini for one side, you see where they talk, and now even this issue, Matteo Salvini don't post that for his own channel, for everywhere. Italian going to see the thing when like see they do that time when make the tail remove Matteo Salvini. Alright, why they bring this update? Because most of them are going to attack me for Instagram, say when they talk, say Matteo Salvini go come back again as the prime minister. Because now, as it happen like this, if the same Matteo Renzi now choose to soak back, let's go back again to Matteo Salvini. Because this is politics, you understand? They can correlate to anything, they correlate anything correlatable. So this Matteo Renzi can still come out and say, I want to go back to Matteo Salvini, and then we form another party again, and then bring in Giorgia Meloni, which is the Fratelli d'Italia, to join them, go come give the high motion. Understand? The fee use that means take Matteo Salvini to be the prime minister. So, you know, I try to explain given what did happen. Not mean say Matteo Salvini don't become the prime minister. By God's grace, we know we say he go become the prime minister. Even myself, I not even want me become the interior minister, let alone the prime minister. You understand? So, now be something one I go understand. If we dey read news, I go still try to watch the video to the end before I go judge the video. So now so the matter take happen. Now say Malia to know how it take the place. So now use the title of the video to judge the video. Watch the video to the end. May you see the content. What the person they talk for inside. May for know how it take the place. So alright. So we pray may it be like say this problem not go pass like this. May Giuseppe Conte try to get. If you want to go from other parties again, or make you know, because now as it will be, if this Renzi verse pass like this, go collaborate with Matteo Salvini, now be the risk when they for inside the matter. You understand? So in tanto, Baba no come back, put the picture. You know go come back. You know they go anywhere. Mona pray. We don't want Matteo Salvini to come back again, because if he come back, he go come destroy everything where people like say they don't do for immigrants. You understand? So now so the matter take play. Now see my let you know how it take happen. Someone know the judge. When I know that tag me again for the Instagram side. You understand? Alright, so you want to be like say never subscribe to this platform, or you may try to subscribe, click that red button so that anytime I drop my video, you will be the first person when go get them. You know as it take happen if at all. You understand? So you stay blessed. The next time again we'll be together. I remember your boy Prince TV. Ciao.